AI, Automatic Ticket Management. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for AI in Automatic Ticket Management, Beginner Level. Introduction. AI in Automatic Ticket Management means using artificial intelligence to automatically create, classify, prioritize, assign, and resolve support tickets. A ticket is a record of a customer issue or request, such as login problems, payment issues, technical errors, service requests, complaints. Traditionally, tickets are handled manually. AI makes this process faster, smarter, and more efficient. Examples include automatically categorizing tickets, billing, technical, etc., assigning tickets to the right team, prioritizing urgent issues, suggesting solutions, auto-resolving simple problems. This topic helps beginners understand how AI improves support operations and workflow automation. It introduces key concepts such as natural language processing, NLP, classification automation, decision systems, workflow management, sentiment analysis. What is AI in Automatic Ticket Management? AI in Automatic Ticket Management is the use of intelligent systems to manage support tickets automatically. In simple words, AI in ticket management, using AI to handle customer issues from start to finish. A beginner view includes ticket creation, ticket classification, priority assignment, ticket routing, response generation, resolution tracking. Why AI in ticket management is important. Manual ticket handling is slow, error-prone, difficult to scale, resource-intensive. AI helps by automatically sorting tickets, reducing response time, improving accuracy, handling large volumes, enhancing customer experience. Basic areas of AI in ticket management area. Purpose: ticket classification, categorize issues automatically. Priority detection, identify urgent tickets. Ticket routing, assign tickets to the right team. Auto responses, provide instant replies. Sentiment analysis, detect customer emotions. Resolution prediction, suggest solutions. Example of ticket data. Ticket equals issue, payment failed, priority, high, sentiment, angry. Example of ticket classification, issue, payment. If issue equals payment, print, category billing. Simple AI ticket management example, Python. Message equals I can't log in. If login in message, print, create login issue ticket. How AI in ticket management works. Step 1, ticket creation. Customer submits a request. Query equals payment not working. Step 2, understand issue, NLP. If payment in query.lower, print billing issue detected. Step 3, classify ticket. Category equals billing. Print assigned category, category. Step 4, assign priority. Priority equals high. Print priority. Step 5, route ticket. If category equals billing, print routing to billing team. Step 6, provide response. Print, we are working on your issue. AI in ticket classification. AI categorizes issues automatically. Refund request. If refund in text, print category refund. AI in priority detection. AI identifies urgent issues. Urgent issue. If urgent in text, print high priority ticket. AI assigns tickets to teams. Issue equals technical. If issue equals technical, print assigned to tech team. AI in auto response. AI sends instant replies. Print, your request has been received. AI in resolution suggestion. AI suggests solutions. Issue equals password. If issue equals password, print suggest password reset. Full menu-based ticket management example. Def create ticket. Issue equals input, enter issue. Print ticket created for issue. Def classify ticket. Issue is input, enter issue. If billing an issue, print category billing. Else, print category general. Def assign priority. Text equals input, enter message. If urgent in text, print high priority. Else, print normal priority. Def route ticket. Issue is input, enter issue. If issue equals technical, print routing to tech team. Else, print routing to support team. While true, print N1 create ticket, print 2 classify ticket, print 3 assign priority, print 4 route ticket, print 5 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, create ticket. If choice equals 2, classify ticket. If choice equals 3, assign priority. If choice equals 4, route ticket. If choice equals 5, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from AI in ticket management. Check. NLP basics. Check. Classification systems. Check. Automation workflows. Check. Decision-making systems. Check. Sentiment analysis. Check. Real-world AI applications. Real-life analogy. AI in ticket management is like a smart help desk manager. It can receive issues, understand problems, assign the right team, prioritize urgency, ensure resolution, ways to improve a ticket management AI project, use machine learning for classification, integrate with CRM ticketing tools, Zendesk, ServiceNow, add real-time analytics, use NLP models for better understanding, implement Chat Plus, ticket integration, add feedback loops, use predictive analytics, automate resolution workflows, common mistakes beginners make. No. Poor ticket categorization, ignoring priority levels, not handling edge cases, over-automation without human review, weak NLP understanding. Where AI in ticket management is used. Customer support systems, IT help desks, SaaS platforms, e-commerce companies, telecom services, banking systems, healthcare support, enterprise systems. Large systems may include ticketing platforms, AI classification engines, workflow automation tools, analytics dashboards. Simple definition. AI in automatic ticket management. The use of artificial intelligence to automatically manage, classify, and resolve support tickets. Final summary. AI in ticket management helps organizations handle support requests efficiently and intelligently. It enables faster issue resolution, automated workflows, better prioritization, reduced manual effort, improved customer satisfaction. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI powers modern support and service management systems.